In question number 7, find the number of ways of 10 letters of the word Copenhagen can be arranged so that the vowels A, E, O are together and the consonants are together. Question number 7, part number 1. Now the topic is repetition of letters. In a question of combination. Question number 7, part number 1. The word is Copenhagen. There are how many repetitions? There are 2 E's and there are 2 N's. Is there any other? No. Okay. Now we will draw 10 boxes. Now 10 boxes are drawn. There are 4 vowels and 6 consonants. These are 4 vowels. These are 6 consonants. Now we have 2 combined boxes. So that for the 2 combined boxes, we have 2 factorial ways to arrange them. Now, in one box, there are vowels and we can arrange them in 4 factorial ways. In the other box, we have consonants and we can arrange them in 6 factorial ways, divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Any question? Josefa?
नहीं सर.
Now part number 2. The E's are not next to each other. There are 2 E's. There are 2 ways to solve this, to separate 2 objects. One is subtract this one from the total. Combine the 2 E's and subtract from total. Other method is of, we have the other method that is boxes and circles. Let's do this one with boxes and circles. There are 8 objects. We don't want to separate 8 factorial. Put boxes at the ends and in between. There are 9 boxes. To place the first E, we have 9 options. To place the second E, we have 8 options, divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Josefa,
इस
should
क्या
I?
इसमें इसमें भी 2 फैक्टोरियल इंटू 2 फैक्टोरियल ही करना है.
Yes, we will divide. This one is a question of arrangement and there is a repetition of letters. So we will divide the total number of arrangements with the 2 factorial and 2 factorial.
समझ आ गए सर.
Now the third part. In the third part, 4 letters are selected from the 10 letters of the word Copenhagen. 4 letters from 10. Find the number of different selections if the 4 letters must contain same number of E's and same number of N's and at least one of them. There should be one E, at least one E, there should be at least one N, and there should be total 4 letters. Okay, first of all, we want to select 4 letters. Suppose that there is one E and one N. Now, for one E and one N, we will not use 2C1, and for one N, 2C1. In case of repetition of letters in combination, we will not use combination for the repeated letters. In case of repeated letters, in a question of combination, we will not use combination on repeated letters. Now, we have selected one E and one N. We will not use 2C1 for E and 2C1 for N. Now, we have how many letters are left with us now? One E and one N has been selected, and there should be one E and one N only. Josefa, how many options do we have now?
ठीक है.
Sorry,
6.
Jose. Six. Yes, six. From six, we will select two. Now, we will select two E's. The number of N's and E's should be equal, and two N's. Now, this one is single one option only. We will not select any number from six remaining, and 62 is 15, and 61 is 1, and the final answer is 16. Josefa, any question about this?
पहले वाले में E और N का 1C1 लिखना है.
कुछ नहीं लिखना. We will not apply combinations on the repeated letters.
अच्छा, तो और दूसरे वाले में भी सिर्फ डबल E और डबल N है, तो इन पर कुछ नहीं करना.
उनका कुछ नहीं करना.
ठीक है, समझ आ गया.
Okay, we will attempt another question of this type. Now, question number 14 is find the number of ways all 9 letters of the word evergreen can be arranged if there is no restriction. Question number 14. There are how many E's? 1, 2, 3, 4. And V is 1. R, there are 2 R's. Any other repetition? No. And others 6, and there are other 3. V, R, and V, G, and N. Now we want to arrange all the 9 letters. This one is 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial into 3 factorial. Sorry, 3 factorial. There will be no 3 factorial because this one is not the repetition. Now simple 9 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay. Any question, Zefa?
No, sir.
Okay. The first letter is R and the last letter is G. The first letter is R and the last letter is G. How many R's do we have? 2. So 2 P1, 1 P1 into 7 factorial. divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Part number 3. The e's are all together. The e's are all together. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will put 4 r's together. That is this one. Now the total boxes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 factorial into r's can be arranged in 4 factorial ways divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Josefa, any question?
No question, sir.
Okay, let's move on. 3 letters from the 9 letters of the word evergreen are selected. Now this one is a question of combination and there is a repetition. There are 4 e's and 2 r's. Find the number of selections which contains no e and exactly 1 r. No e and exactly 1 r. We want to select 3. No e's. So and exactly 1 r. We want to select 3. We have selected 1 r. Should we write 2c1 for this, Josefa?
No, sir.
Yes, we will not use combinations for the repeated letters. Now the others are 3. From 3 we will select 2. Okay.
Sir, 4 नहीं होगा?
No.
Oh, नहीं.
No, there are 4 e's, 2 r's, and the different numbers we have are 3. No e is selected, 1 r is selected. We are left with 3 other numbers. From the 3 other numbers, we will select 2 numbers. Josefa, should I explain?
नहीं, अब समझ आ गई, sir.
Part 5. Find the number of selections which contains no e's. Which contains no e's. No e's. So we will rule out e's. We are left with 2 r's and 3 other numbers. Now we will make the cases in which there is 0 r. There is 0 r. So if there is 0 r, then we will have to select the 3 numbers from the remaining 3. 3c3 is equal to 1. Now the second case is 1 r. If there is 1 r, then 3c2. If there are 2 r's, from the remaining 3, we will select 1. 3c1 is 3. The total number of selections are 7. This one is the answer. Any question about this?
इन सबको ऐड करना है फिर?
Yes. If it is not mentioned that there is 1 r, 2 r, or 3 r, then we will have to make different categories. That is, in the category in which there is 0 r, the category in which there is 1 r, and the category in which there are 2 r's. Now I will look for another question which more complicated one. Question number 27 is, find the number of different ways in which all 8 letters of the word Tanzania can be arranged so that all A's are together. There are 8 letters. how many T's are? One T. How many A's are there? Three A's. How many N's are there? Two. A2, A3, N2, Z1, N2, N1. Yes. Now, all the A's are together. We will draw 8 boxes. We will put the three A's together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Josefa, any problem?
सॉरी सर, रिपीट करें.
All the letters A are together. We will place 3 A's in the first 3 boxes and we will combine all 3 A's. Now there are 5 single boxes and 1 combined box containing all the A's. Now 6 factorial is the number of ways in which we can arrange the boxes, and within the combined box we can arrange A's in 3 factorial ways divided by
अच्छा,
the number of repetitions. Huzefa,
अंडरस्टूड सर.
should I repeat?
नहीं सर, समझ आ गया.
Okay. The first letter is a consonant, the second letter is a vowel, the third letter is a consonant, and so on. The first letter is a consonant. Okay. The first letter is a consonant, vowel, consonant, 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 vowels, vowel, and vowel. There are how many consonant and there are how many vowels are there? 4 consonant and 4 vowels. Yes. I, 1 I and 3 A. So the we can put we can arrange the first consonant in 4 ways, second in 3, 2, 1, and we can place the vowels in 4, 3, 2, and 1. So the final answer is 4 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Josefa, any problem?
एक्चुअली कॉम्बिनेशन का सवाल था.
First of all, we will complete this question, then forward your problem. Okay.
ओके.
Now, part number 3. 4 of the 8 letters of the word Tanzania are selected. How many possible selections contains one A and one N? 4 letters, we will select 4 letters. It is given that one N and one A has been selected. Now we will select 2 letters from the other 2. Now the other 3. Now the repeated letters are 5, total are 8, so there are other 3 letters. This one is simple 3C2. This one is part number 3. Josefa, any problem?
नहीं सर.
Okay. Now the next part. There should be one N. One N is fixed. One N is fixed. Now we will draw the cases in which there is one A, there is 2A, and there are 3 A's. One N is fixed. So we will take zero. First of all, we will draw the case for 0a. If there is 1n and 0a, now we will have to select 3 from the remaining 3 plus 1n is fixed. If there is 1a, then we will have to select 2 from the different 3 plus, if there is 1n is fixed, if there are 2 a's, then, and we will have to select 1 from the remaining 3 different. If there are 3 a's, 1n is fixed, a, a, a. So we will have to select 0 from the different 3. 3c 3 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. So the total number of selections are 8. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
If it is not given that a is 1, 2 or 3, then we will have to assume the cases that there is 0a, there is 1a, there are 2 a's, there are 3 a's. It's all about the we have, I think we have attempted all the questions about the permutations and combinations. These are the these were the different questions, and now you can attempt questions and send your problems.